Hey my beauties, so welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing our first official summer look. First day of summer is coming, so I figure why not do like a summer look for beginners, something really simple, like a pop of color. If you are a beginner, you've been doing makeup for a little bit on yourself and you just want to experiment with some colors, summer is the perfect time to start using pops of color. We're just going to be doing like a pop of color on the lid, and that color is none other than yellow, because yellow is such a fun, bright and happy color, and I think yellow looks good on everybody. So to start off this look, I'm going to take my bronzer as a transition color. The reason why I'm not using an eyeshadow versus my bronzer is because with your bronzer you can kind of build it up depending on how dark it is. This one is from Hard Candy. As you guys can see, it is beat the hell up. So this is in the color Cocoa. So I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild brush, dust some of that in my crease just with a nice fluffy brush. And this is just going to serve as my transition color, and it's also going to help me blend in that yellow shade. Just kind of wanted something light in the crease, so this bronzer here is perfect for that, because it's a really nice soft bronzer. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is there, but it's just a nice soft shade that I can basically build up in the crease. So to make our yellow pop a little bit more, I'm going to be using a eye paint. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Eye Paint. I recommend to use a yellow eye base, because all yellow eyeshadows are not the same, and yellow is such a hard color to make pigmented, and it could come off patchy and chalky and ashy. I'm going to take the eye base, as you guys can see, it's really nice in yellow, and I'm just going to take that on a flat brush. You want to get you a flat brush, and I'm just going to put that where I want my yellow, which is on my lid. So I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Malibu Sunrise palette, and I'm going to use this yellow down here. It's a shimmer, so I'm going to pop that on my lid. I'm going to take a eyeshadow applicator. Really enjoy that. That's really nice, and the way that the bronzer is mixing in with that is perfect. You don't want anything too deep in the crease, because it's kind of taken away from the look that we're trying to do. So yeah, but like I said, that's up to you what you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in my bronzer and just add a little bit of that on the end and then in the crease area, just to help blend everything. I'm taking that same brush, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the eyes. And I'm just taking my finger, just kind of blending and flicking that out with my finger. So you want to make sure you clean up those edges so it can see how it's blending in on the end right there. And I really like how the brown is blending in, like this bronzer is blending in the eyeshadow. It's kind of giving like sunflower. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Kiss So Wispy lashes. So with this here eye look, you want it to stand out. So I don't want to wear any eyelashes that is, you know, really dramatic or too fluffy. I kind of want you to see the eyeshadow, and these lashes are really good if you are a beginner because the band is really nice and thin, and these are not overly dramatic. They mimic eyelash extensions, and you can still see your eyeshadow look, and they just look pretty with any and every eye look. So I do recommend these. These are the Kiss So Wispy 01. You get 5 in a pack. These are my absolute favorite. For highlighter, I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to add a little bit of that on my cheek, just to kind of bring it all together. And a little bit on the nose. I'm done with my face. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Maybelline matte setting spray. I've been using this a lot lately. So for the lips for today's look, we're going to keep it really cute and simple. And I figured why not do like a cute little milky kind of pinky color. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Gummy Bear. I love this color. Absolutely love this color. This is one of my favorites out of the line. So we're going to use that today. I wipe my lips from any product because I just want it to be true to color. And that's about it. You can use a liner if you want to. So yeah, just a nice little pinky, milky kind of lip moment. I love this color. Like, this is, oh my god. Ooh, like, first, this color is absolutely gorgeous. I just love like how it makes my lips look so juicy and smooth. Like, I love this color. So Gummy Bear, perfect shade. This is the pop of color for summer. I wanted to do like a yellow shimmery color, and I wanted that to be the main focus. I didn't want too many colors in my crease. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below, thumbs up the video, and if you like what you see on my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.